Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, I want to express my gratitude for the valuable opportunity to participate in this international conference. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Sita Ramdhani, a student of Teacher Professional Education from Sarjana Wita Taman Siswa University, Yogyakarta. Today, I will be presenting the research finding titled the effect of using three-dimensional miniatures boards in improving students' learning motivation on the material of building space at Muhammadiyah Pringgokusuman Elementary School in the 2024-2025 academic year. First, the background. Mathematics is one of the important lessons for students as a provision for living their daily lives. Mathematics has a significant impact in providing the ability to think and solve problems in everyday life. Mathematics subjects direct students to think logically, critically, analytically, systematically, carefully, and be able to think creatively in everyday life. Mathematics is a lesson that is abstract and temporary algorithmic. One of the factors that determine the success of lesson is the use of learning media. The use of learning media is expected to increase students' learning motivation in participating in abstract mathematics learning. The selection of media in learning is adjusted to several things, one of which is the stage of cognitive development of students. Students aged 7 until 11 years are the elementary school level, grade 1 to grade 4. Learners at the elementary school level are the concrete operational stage. Concrete media is real media that can be used during the learning process to create real experience, attract the interest and enthusiasm of students. The reality in the field, there are still teachers who deliver mathematical lessons in a monotone manner, which cause students to be not excited or have no motivation to learn. They tend to be lazy to pay attention to the teacher in the class when the learning process takes place because the teacher does not use interesting learning media. Improving student learning motivation in learning mathematics can be done by using concrete media because it can be provide opportunities for students to be active during the learning process. Based on the description above, the authors are interested in conducting classroom action research with the title The Effect of Using Three-Dimensional Miniature Boards in Increasing Students' Learning Motivation in the Material of Building Space at Muhammadiyah Pringgokusuman Elementary School. Okay. The method is participant and context. 11 grade 2 students focus increasing student learning motivation in mathematics subject matter of building space using concrete media in form of three-dimensional miniature board of building space. This research design used the Chemist and McTurk model, which includes 4 steps, namely planning, action, observation, and reflection. Material data collection used the results of the learning motivation questionnaire and observation. Data collection, the data from the learning motivation questionnaire was analyzed using quantitative descriptive numbers. Okay, the results and discussion. This is table 1 pre-cycle, cycle 1, cycle 2, learning motivation achievement distribution. The number of percentage, can see every indicator is increased. So the conclusion, the increase in student learning motivation is in line with the result of research conducted by Rihanna, which states the concrete media can increase students' learning motivation in mathematics subjects. Research conducted by Sarah, which states the use of concrete media has a significant effect of student learning motivation. Namely, the higher the use of concrete media, the higher the learning motivation of grade 5 students. The use of concrete media as learning medium for grade 2 elementary school students can increase student learning motivation because in the age range 7 until 10 is at the concrete operational stage. According to Jean Piaget, this stage, students become easier to understand the learning process using real or concrete objects. The conclusion is the result of this study show success in efforts to increase student motivation and learning outcomes. The success is indicated by the average percentage of student learning motivation at the end of cycle 2, which is 86.5% in the very good category. The result further confirm that the application of concrete media in the form of a three-dimensional miniature board in the mathematics subjects of building space material can increase the learning motivation of grade 2 students of Muhammadiyah Pringgo Kusman Elementary School. So that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.